I first went to Satoon to try this dish and loved it so much that I recreated it at home. This dish is called Gaeng Tormae. In 2024, it was voted the lost taste of Satoon through a project by Thailand's Department of Cultural Promotion under Ministry of Culture, which aims to rediscover Thailand local dishes that are at risk of disappearing. But that wasn't the end of the story. I dug deeper and I discovered that Gaeng Tormae isn't exclusive to Satoon. It's also found across Thailand's 3 southern border provinces, other parts of southern Thailand, and even in Malaysia. The name Tormae comes from the Indonesian and Malay words, which refer to frying a spice paste in a little oil before cooking. That's why Tormae isn't limited to curry. There are stir-fried dishes with the same cooking technique too. Because of its strong Malay roots, the dish also appears in Peranakan cuisine in Phuket, where it's known as Gaeng Tumis. What makes Gaeng Tormae special is the aroma of its spices, gently fried in oil before simmering into a light coconut curry. The version I had in Satoon was much lighter than Massaman curry, with a bright tang from tamarind. It's commonly eaten for breakfast with roti or rice cooked in coconut milk. This is my homemade version. I divide the curry paste into 2 parts. The wet ingredients are soaked dried chilies, shallots, garlic, and shrimp paste. The dry spices are cumin, coriander seeds, turmeric, fenugreek, fennel, and paprika. I use curry leaves which give a wonderful fragrance that pair beautifully with the spices. Southern version of Gaeng Tormae usually use sea fish. I chose pla nam dok mai, a fish from barracuda family, because its flesh is firm but more tender than Spanish mackerel, making it perfect for this spice-forward curry. I finished the dish with eggplant, which adds another layer of texture. In Phuket Peranakan version, okra is often used instead, and the spice profile is generally a little gentler. I also tried pairing it with coconut sticky rice mixed with grated coconut, and it works surprisingly well. So this is Gaeng Tormae that I came to know and recreate in my own kitchen. The more I learn about this dish, the more I realize that a single plate of food carries far more than flavor. It carries people, culture, and the story of the places that it has traveled through. Sometimes a dish that quietly disappearing holds a much richer story than we ever expect.